What's going on, guys? It's your boy Sparta back with another unboxing here. We have here the DJI Osmo Mobile 3 combo. So basically, this is the latest gimbal for your smartphone, Android or iPhone. So basically, pretty much stabilizes the video on your phone. And you could do active shots. You could do FPV on this. It could do could track you. It could do a lot of nifty things, especially doing YouTube stuff or just creating content in general. And works for photos and videos. Does both. And really excited here because I was thinking about it because right here, right, I have the first one. The first one, I was actually hyped up about it when I got this one. I was like, I was 50-50 with this. I was like, let me get the first one, try it out, see what happens. And I actually did a couple of real estate videos with my phone, and I used this, and I got the job done, and it came out actually in my opinion, somewhat professionally. And the client that I did it with, I used to do the real estate interior of the home. He loved it. Paid me on time. He actually used my service like more than twice because I did videos with this and that, and he really liked it. He really enjoyed my video, what I did for him. So anyways, back to this. So I was like, let me upgrade. I got a newer phone. The old ones, doesn't have much good features as this. So this one right here comes with the case right here is the combo version, the case and the another leg, a tripod leg, as you can see right here. I don't know, you can see that here. Yeah, you can see that. So that's the combo. Okay, this is the combo thing right here. So let's get to the unboxing. Let's check it out. Fresh off the press right here. And this came out, I don't know, a couple of months ago. So, we'll see here. Right here. And oh yeah, this unfolds. So it folds up down. It comes with that. It comes with the tripod leg, the case, a wrist wrap, and what else we got here? Power cable. So let's check it out. Throw it out of the way. Cut this part right here. That should be good. All right. Get it moving. Okay. All right. Box. So right here, we'll come back to this. It's a nice little case here. Pop it open. Voila. Wow. That's actually kind of nice. Look at that. I got the little engraving here, a little rubber engraving. It's a good looking case. You could put, put some nice things in here too. You don't gotta put the gimbal in here. But this is a nice freaking case. Let's open it up. You guys ready? Pow. There it is. The Osmo Mobile 3 combo package right here. So, pretty light, not too bad. So apparently, if you unfold it, apparently it's like a little unfold trick. What I guess all the instructions right here. So you go like this. There you go. Just fold it back down like this. Okay. So there's like a little alignment trick to it. Fold it like that, boom. And there you go. There you have it. Okay. That's right here. You put your phone here, pretty much, and that's how we're gonna do it. So there goes the gimbal right there. So what else we got here? Anything here? No, we got the good old stuff right here. Throw this away ASAP. Make sure if you got kids, throw it away. I definitely don't got kids, so I can leave it around. What else right here? It comes this package here. Oh, I freaking broke the damn thing. Hold on. Damn. Oh, savage. Okay, what's this? All right, the little string, you know. So this way, when you hold it, you put it over here, and then you hold the gimbal like this. This way, I guess. Oh, you put the string through here, and then boom. So it comes with the little wrist strap. This way you won't drop it. That's cool. What's this right here? What's this one? Okay. Oh, all right. A little baggy. This is nice. This is bag. Oh, you could put it in here. Throw it in here. Well, first fold it up. I gotta get used to that. First fold it up first. All right, I'm gonna have to practice on folding. Because this folding, I'm gonna have to figure that out. Because this folding right here, joint, a little confusing. All right, there you go. I think it's like this. So, anyways, I'll figure that out. And so you pretty much you fold her up, you throw the bag in here. So that's kind of cool right there. I like that. Comes here with your instructions, whatever. I never read that. So now I know how to open these up. So top, this right here. Ah, okay. This is the tripod leg. Tripod leg right here. Look at that. That's dope. I like that. Screws right under. Ah, hold that. And there you go. And it stands. Just like that. Just like that. Very cool. I like that. And you know what? What's the cool part? You know, I'm a little shaky sometimes with one hand, but like now you got two hands, right? So now you can actually do the recording with both your hands. When you do like a video or some type of like, slow cinematic situation, you want to get the nice little angles, nice steady flow shots, you go like that. So I love the fact that you have the leg here. You could just open it up like this to hold it, to let it stand, and then you could just go into like full professional mode with the tripod leg with the phone, and you hold it like this. So this way you can do slow, steady motion shots. So that's dope. So that's that right there. Anything else in here? Oh yeah. And it comes with a cable. What is that? C-type? Yeah, USB C-type. This way you can charge it. It's an internal battery. It lasts longer, so you don't have to put batteries in it. There's an internal battery inside. So this way you don't have to like buy a new battery, swap batteries. It's charge it, which I like. And not just only that, you can actually charge your cell phone while recording with this. So you could put in a 3 feet or maybe shorter than 3 feet. I think that'll be too long to put the phone here. You can actually do that and charge it at the same time. So that's kind of dope. So you put it right there. Charge different types of moments. So that's kind of cool. That's real cool. I like that. And that goes like that. And that's pretty much it. That's the unboxing. Got the wiring, this. Ain't nothing here. So that's pretty much the Osmo unboxing. I'm probably gonna do extra reviews on it. Oh, this came with this as well. Oh, a little like stubs here. That's interesting. I'll see find out what's about. So there you go. There you have it, guys. You got your little small little briefcase to go over here. Then you got the baggie. Secure the bag always with the Osmo symbol in the front, DJ on the bottom. You got the gimbal, and then you got the leg. I love the fact that you could just unscrew it and screw it back in like that. And then you have, obviously you got your different modes here, your tripod, oh, there you go, turned on too. Turned on. So I'm gonna get this set up, do some cool little stuff with it. Set this up. You use the I think you use with this one, you use the which app? Uh what is it? I think it's the Osmo one. Yeah, I think it's the DJI Mimo. So pretty much is this one. This is the app you're gonna use, the Mimo app to in order to record this. You don't need the old DJI one, the first one. You need the Mimo one, which is kind of cool. So a little flip on that. And so that's what we have, guys. And anything else about it? Or they kept the trigger in the bottom to keep it nice and smooth when you do nice cinematic stuff. And, you know, you got the zoom in, zoom out, and you got the flip mode. You can flip the camera, goes left, right. So maybe I'll do another video on that, all the features it comes with. So I actually kind of like it. I like the size, I like the fact that you can actually fold it. I like a lot of things about this so far. But it comes with like a lot of cool features, you know, active 3.0. It comes with it goes into like landscape mode and portrait mode. So you got the best of both worlds, switches. More updates coming soon about the Mavic Mini. I'll do a couple of videos on that. Possibly another video on this, and we'll see how it goes. So thank you. So don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification button, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.